English Speaking Skills 2. Lesson 4. Environment. After this lesson, students will be able to identify the causes and provide solutions to an environmental problem. They will also be able to talk about a local environmental problem. There are 3 main activities. Let's start with the first one. Vocabulary review. Find 8 hidden words in the puzzle. Words are hidden up, down, left, right, and diagonally. To amp up the game, can you find more words that are related to the theme environment in the puzzle? Pause the video to play this game. Then I will show you the answers. Here are the answers. How many have you found? All of them, hopefully. Practice with vocabulary tasks again, if there is any word or phrase you can't remember or don't understand. Now, moving on to the practice. First, look at the list of urban pollution types. Which problems do you see happening in areas around your school or workplace? Choose the most concerning problem and answer the questions. 1. What is the cause of this problem? 2. Is there any solution for it? But wait. Before that, how do we talk about the cause and the solution to a problem? Refer back to the grammar tasks about using adverbs for cause and verb infinitive for solution. Below is a reminder for you. My office is being polluted by, from, due to, because of, through. And the cause. Next. One way, another way, the best way to stop pollution is to do what? Add an action verb for the solution. Okay, now you are ready. Let me show you the list of urban pollution types. We have air pollution, water pollution, soil contamination, and noise pollution. I will give you 2 minutes. Try and use the structures above to answer questions on your right. Record yourself for later self-review too. Here is a sample answer.
Air pollution is the problem I see happening around my workplace. My office is being polluted by the car park next to us. So many cars release a lot of toxic gases. One way to solve this problem is to plant more trees to filter out the toxic gases.
Next activity. Role play. Again, find someone to practice with you. There are two roles. Student A is doing a survey about environmental problems around the school. Student B is living near the school. Student A asks questions to identify the environmental problems that are concerning around the school. Use the table on your right for ideas. Student B answers according to your knowledge. Pause the video to start role playing. If you don't have a partner, practice with the recorded version in this video. In this part, I will act as student B. After I speak, there will be 30 seconds pause for you to response. Pay attention, okay? The script shown on the screen is a suggestion for you. Or you can converse in your own way. Let's start.
Sure. Ask me anything. There is a small lake next to the school. I went to look once, and the water in there is almost black. It smells rather bad too. Not too terrible. There is no bad smell in the air. We have many trees on campus, so there is little dust too.
Let's switch role. I am A and you are B. After I speak, there will be 30 seconds pause for you to response. Now, let's start.
Can I interview you about our school's environment? Thank you. First question. What do you think about the rivers, lakes around our school? So it's extremely bad then. What about the air quality within the school? So the air quality is fine.
Continue practice, as you need by pausing the video. Next, let's reflect. We just role-played about an imaginary school. What about your area? What is the most concerning environmental problem in your neighborhood? Think about the causes of this problem and how this problem disturbs your life. Then find the solutions to these problems and make a mind map. You can ask around or search online for ideas. Just pause the video as you do the activity. Finished. Use your mind map to make a short talk about an environmental problem in your neighborhood. You will have 2 minutes. If you want some examples, skip until the end of the video for a mono-talk sample. They will be quite similar. Timer starts. Last, you now can give a short talk on the topic of environment. Talk about an environmental problem in your neighborhood. You should mention the problem, the cause, the impacts, and the solution to it. Use challenge phrases on your right if possible. Pause the video as you talk. Then continue to listen to a sample talk.
My neighborhood is being destroyed by noise pollution. It is always noisy around my house from early morning to midnight. At 5 a.m. every day, everyone is woken up due to loud sounds from big machines that construction sites use. At night, 3 karaoke clubs in the area play loud music with strong bass that makes my windows shake. Besides, there are always trucks and cars driving around my neighborhood at any hour of the day. I think this noise pollution poses a threat to local people's mental and physical health. For example, the quality of my sleep is being impacted because I cannot rest well at night. Many of my neighbors complain that their health worsens. Kids in my area have more headaches and ear pains this year than last year, so their parents are extremely concerned about this problem. To improve the situation, we need a law about acceptable noise levels in residential areas. And another way to solve this problem is to ban karaoke clubs after, maybe, 11 p.m.